Okay, my dear students, as you know, it is Saturday today, and on Saturday we have only speaking session for all the batches come together. And today's topic is importance of English, and this is also English class, and you know very well what is the importance of English. So now you have to speak upon that topic. So I have got some names, very good. So first of all, I am inviting Rohit
Yes, sir.
to speak upon the topic. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about English language. As we all know that English is an international language and it is spoken all over the world.
Hmm.
And as we know that in many countries, English is also used as the mother tongue.
Hmm.
Like in America, English is spoken from the birth of any person.
Hmm.
And in India also now many institutions are opening for English.
Hmm.
And as we know that to learn any language we need a lot of practice. And for the people like in America or in the west side, they speak English fluently because they are speaking English from their birth, as English is mother tongue of them.
Hmm.
And our mother tongue is the language which we learn from our childhood. And our and in india in india people have to learn English in their schools. But in schools we know that how school teaches us English. And to be fluent in English, you have to work hard by watching by taking any class offline or online.
Hmm.
And as we know that English is useful in many ways, like to communicate with persons in the same country. Like a person in south who knows Tamil, Kerala, and we know Hindi. So we can communicate with the help of English, because the people of the Kerala, Tamil Nadu, they say that our language Tamil and Kerala are our mother tongue.
Hmm.
And we will only speak it. We will not speak Hindi.
Hmm.
And so they know English better than people in west.
Hmm.
And as we know that in the private schools, everything or every book is written in English.
Hmm.
So in my view, I think that without English a person is nothing. And the learning of English needs a lot of hard work. That's it.
Very good. Shabash. Nice flow. Keep it up. Shabash. And now, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Harshit More. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is English.
Hmm.
As we all know very well that English is very important for us because we can't use our mother tongue at every place. As we all are Indians and we have our own mother tongues. Mostly in India, the mother tongue is Hindi, but sometimes some people use different languages from their uh,
Hmm.
from their place of birth. Like if anyone is in Rajasthan and his family members used to speak Rajasthani, then he will know how to speak Rajasthani. And in this way, in the if you will see in whole the world, you will find that most of the people in the world use English, whether they are Russian, European, and from any other countries.
Hmm.
uh, English, as we know very well, that English is an international language, and it is being used too much nowadays. Its hype is too much, and we must also know the importance of it.
mm,
We must learn it for our better career, for to make ourselves able to speak English, so that we may be able to deal in businesses with other countries, and we may be able to talk with others if we are in any difficulty in other countries.
mm,
We can't use our mother tongue at that place. uh, and to learn English, we must do as much as hard work as we can. We
mm,
can't learn it from our books. We must do something better to do it. uh, and as nowadays we can see that most of the education is being done in English, as it is international language, and in India, English is now a very important language for everyone to be learned, because nowadays in many professions you will find that you will need English.
mm,
And if you want to go outside your state,
mm,
like if you are Rajasthani and you want to go in other state, then at the time you can't use your own mother tongue. You will have to use their mother tongue, or you will have to use English,
mm.
as they would know how to speak English a little. And nowadays, as you can see, that our government is taking steps to make us perfect in developing ourselves in English subject, as it is our international language and we need it too much. Like if we have to go abroad for any business deal,
Mm,
any for any education, then we can't. The teachers there don't use the Hindi language. There they use their own language, or English language.
mm.
Uh, and English is very important for us to be learned for our better career. That's it, sir.
Very good. Nice. Very nice. Shabash. Yes. And now I'm calling Umesh.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from batch 19.
Mm,
Today my topic is English language. English language is a international language. English are very important in our life. English is a very useful. The some
ठीक है. वेरी
schools
यूजफुल लैंग्वेज है,
have
तो ये मत लगाओ. मैंने बार बार बताता हूँ मैं आपको.
useful
हाँ, ये
useful
मत लगाओ यहाँ.
language.
हाँ.
The books written in languages, the language used in many states. The you learn language with the practice of writing and speaking. There are some coachings and online classes to learn English.
हम्म.
That's it, sir.
इतना जल्दी क्या हो रही थी? थोड़ा रुकता, थोड़ा सुनता जरा कुछ लोगों को पहले.
Yes,
मैंने
sir.
कहा था ना कि थोड़ा सा अगर लगता है कि हम नहीं बोल पाएंगे तो थोड़ा सुनना चाहिए पहले कुछ दो चार लोगों को, पुराने लोगों को.
Okay, sir.
और अच्छे से बोल पाता ना फिर. इतनी क्या जल्दी हो रही थी? सुनो जरा, नए लोग हैं उनको, पुरानों को थोड़ा सा सुनना चाहिए, फिर बोलो. हर्ष.
Yes, sir.
हम्म,
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshal, and today my topic is importance of English.
हम्म,
As we all know that English is our international language and it is spoken all over the world. And if we want to get any job in abroad, then we should know how to speak in English
हम्म,
or any other language which is spoken there. Uh, and it but it is hard to learn the mother tongue of different countries, as they're designed by their own people, so that they can speak easily. But if we will learn it, then we will face difficulty in learning that.
हम्म,
So everyone learns English, as English is modified in this way that we every person from every country can read, learn and speak this language.
हम्म,
This is why it is known as our international language. But
हम्म,
and nowadays there is nothing in the world without English, as every person in the world wants to be perfect in English,
हम्म,
as every generation, every person want that he or she should go to any other country and explore it and get knowledge about it.
Hmm.
But this can be possible by only speaking a language with the by communicating with persons of that country.
Hmm.
For that, we want a common language, that is English. And if we want to be perfect in it, we should learn it. We should practice its grammar,
Hmm.
and we should speak in the front of mirror to enhance our confidence,
Hmm.
so that we can speak with the person which we do not know, which we don't know.
Hmm.
Uh, and nowadays, if we want to get a job, then also we want English. If we want to communicate with the Americans, British persons, etc., then also we want English. So in many ways, English is um, सर इंग्लिश सही में है ना इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज
Really,
है.
truly,
So
yeah.
in,
In proper
so in
way,
many
English is an
ways,
English international language.
yes sir. And so I think that every person should be perfect in English so that he or she can communicate with other person and get knowledge and enhance his knowledge and be a successful person. That's it.
Very good. सुनो थोड़ा सा पुराने लोगों को, फिर नाम डालो अपना, थोड़ा सा नॉलेज आएगी, थोड़े से थॉट्स मिलेंगे आपको. यस, कम ऑन कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma and I am the student of Ramban Online Effective Classes from Batch 11, and today our topic is importance of English, and we all know that English language is very important and useful for us, and it is an international language. We all know that there are many types of language like Hindi, Tamil, Urdu, Punjabi, Marathi, etc. And we are Bharatiya, so our mother tongue is Hindi, but we should tell and but we should tell speak in English language, and we should learn English language because English language is very useful for us, and in other countries like America, Russia, Japan, Singapore, etc. Most of the people speak in English
Very
because
good. हाँ, शाबाश बेटा, very good
English,
बेटा. हाँ.
English language is a particular language for them, and there are many people they whom is they speak in other language, but they speak in English language, and English language is understandable for all people, and we should learn English language because it is very useful for us, and we all know that in Bharat there are many types of schools, big schools, but teachers teach English language in academic level. They don't teach how to speak, listen, and writing in English proper way, and they only teach in academic level, and they teach English language for only marks. So we should don't learn
हाँ, we
about
should
on.
not, should और don't क्यों आएगा? We should not.
Yes, sir. We should not learn only for marks. We should learn English for our future and career, because in the future and also present, English language is most important language, and we can start our business and different types of works in other countries in India. In that works, English language is very useful, and we should learn English and speak English, and that's it, sir.
Okay, very good. अच्छा है. थोड़ा सा ग्रामर पे फोकस करो, और है ना, और थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो जरा चीजों पे. Okay, yes, come on, Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Sushil and I am student of the Raman online interactive classes from B16 and also from B18. and today our topic is the importance of English language. Uh, Language is very important because with the help of language we can communicate with others and we can share our thoughts and views.
Hmm.
And in the world, many languages are spoken, like Hindi, English, Chinese, Korean, and Japanese, and Bengali, Gujarati, etc. English language is one of them,
Hmm.
and and it is very important for present time because it is used in every field.
Hmm.
Uh, like we can take an example like if you are working in a company, so English is very important because the all emails and letters come in this language,
Hmm.
and it is also important in the view of examination and interview.
Hmm.
And many people say that to learn this language is very difficult, but I say that to learn this language is very easy if we are learning it in the right way.
Hmm.
If we talk the way of iteration, so it is not possible to learn it because iteration is the not right way to learn it.
Hmm.
Earlier, I thought that to learn this language is very hard, but when I came here, I started to feel that it is very important to learn this language.
Hmm.
Uh, in the in our country, we communicate in many languages like in Hindi, in Punjabi, in Gujarati, and in also Bengali. But we don't have a national language. With the help of it, we can communicate with others in our country.
Hmm.
So English is very important for us.
Hmm.
That's
वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, हो गया बेटा तेरा काम, शाबाश. यस, कम ऑन कबीर.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad English and Direct classes from HP8. And today's my topic is importance of English. As we know that English is an international language. There are many languages like Hindi, Gujarati, etc.
Hmm.
But English is very important.
Hmm.
Uh, by English, we can communicate any person. Uh, in by English, by English, we can achieve a good job.
Hmm.
English English is we we live in India, so we cannot speak English easily. But foreigners speak English easily because they speak English in they speak they speak English in their childhood.
Hmm. शाबाश, घबराए मत, बहुत बढ़िया, कोशिश कर.
But but and we learn English. In, Indians is also learn English by the help of coaching schools, etc.
Hmm.
Why? Without English, we cannot do anything.
Hmm.
For example, we go, we go in other country,
Hmm.
and we uh, we know we cannot speak Hindi in that country.
शाबाश शाबाश, वेरी गुड, कोशिश कर, वेरी गुड, हाँ.
So we can we can speak English in that country.
वेरी गुड, कोशिश करता रहे
Uh,
बस, हाँ.
English is used in interviews, jobs, etc.
Hmm.
Uh, uh, English medium students books is always written in English.
शाबाश शाबाश, बोलता रहे. हम्म.
Yes, sir, that's it.
ओके बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की बेटा, शाबाश. ऐसी कोशिश कर लिखना भी इस टॉपिक पे, है ना. हाँ. अनुष्का, बोल बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Anushka Meena and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is importance of English. English is very important language, but in some places English
आवाज
is
कट रही है बेटा, आवाज कट रही है
not
बेटा,
language
आवाज
but
को,
as a subject.
आवाज सही कर बेटा, पता ही नहीं चलेगा, आवाज सही कर बेटा.
सर आ गई अब?
हाँ, अब बोल.
English is very important language and English, but in some places English is not used as a language, it is used as a subject.
वेरी गुड, बहुत
We,
बढ़िया.
by English, by English we can communicate with everyone, not not only in India. English is spoken by people, but worldwide English is spoken.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बनाया. हाँ.
Uh, in India, about 80% of people speak English. In India, the pub- in India, English is mostly spoken in the south side.
वेरी गुड.
In south side, English is spoken because of the British rule. Uh, in India, Hindi was considered as a religious language, but the South people, सर विरोध करने को क्या बोलते हैं?
क्या बेटा?
विरोध करने को.
अपोज.
But the South people opposed that they don't know Hindi, so they know English. So English is the only language by which we can communicate with everyone, and English is also the source of and English is also the best source for our career. English is not only used in India, but it is used worldwide. Each and every country, English is spoken in each and every country. We can communicate by English with the international countries also. India is English is the most used language.
शाबाश.
English is also compulsory in India, and the English is the only subject that is found in every country, every state.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश.
English is that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश. आ जाएगा बेटा सब धीरे धीरे साहब, ये प्रैक्टिस ही होगा बेटा, जरा चिंता ना कर, बहुत बढ़िया बोला, और आ जाएगा. यस रौनक.
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. I read in Raman Interactive Classes from Batch 18. Also Batch 18. Today's my topic is importance of English. As we all know that we all are human being, and language is very big source of communication. There are many languages just like Hindi, Gujarati, Urdu, Bengali, Chinese, Rajasthani, etc. We work in any company. We send any email in English. Today, there are many schools in India, and but teachers don't teach how to speak, listen and write English. Uh, English is national language. We go to any country and we communicate with any person in English. There are many tuition classes in for uh, English is very important, and there are many persons study in English, because without practice it is not possible. Uh, I thought English is very important in future, because without English we don't go any company. That's it.
ओके वेरी गुड थोड़ा सा और ठीक करो थोड़ा सा राइटिंग पे ध्यान दो थोड़ा सा यस आदित्य
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Dhanwat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is importance of English. English is very important in our life. English is very important in our life because this is very important language. Many people say this is a subject, but it is not. This is a language.
बढ़िया यार बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है वेरी गुड शाबाश बेटा
Yes, sir.
बहुत
There are many languages in our world, like Tamil, Bengali, Rajasthani, Gujarati, etc. But English is very important language. This is very important. This is very useful language in future and present time. This is not. सर रटने को क्या कहते हैं?
इटीरेट
Iterate.
रटना वर्ब होती है बेटा ये इटीरेशन नाउन अगर यूज करोगे आप तो अब बनाओ आप सेंटेंस घबराओ मत मैं ठीक कर दूंगा चिंता मत करो
It is not iterate language. This is very serious language. All
बोलो घबराओ
this is there are many English medium schools.
शाबाश
So teachers teachers study us only academic level, but this is wrong. This is very nice language. There are many parts of English like grammar.
बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश हो बेटा बोल बेटा
Yes, sir. I like English language. So, yeah, this is the importance of English. Yes, sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा बोला बहुत बढ़िया बोला तूने आज शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड शाबाश बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की बेटा तूने आज कीप इट अप वो सबसे छोटा बच्चा है लेकिन देखो आप वेरी गुड करता रहे बेटा मेहनत बस यस रक्षित
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today's our topic is importance of English. As we all know that English is an international language, and in many countries, it is a common language that is used for communication with other countries and with its own country. And English is very important not only in abroad but also in India, not for in study and also for getting jobs like and if you want to get in today's life, if you want to get jobs, then English language is very useful and important to you in getting jobs. No, and also in abroad, if you want to get jobs in abroad, then it is very important for you to learn English, to learn English language, so that you can communicate with the people of that country, and get the job. And uh, and English in today's life, if a person is studying, if a person is studying or wants to get a job, then it is very important for him or her to get to have enough knowledge of English,
Shabash.
and to have enough knowledge of English, so that this makes easy for him or her to study or to get jobs. And uh, and in today's life, you should in today's life we should have no, we should have the ability to write English, to write our own thoughts in English, and to translate English in our own language, and to speak English anywhere, in any time we want. And uh, and as we all know that there are two factors or ways to learn the English language. First, to live in the environment of that language where this language is used or spoken. And second, to learn this language with its grammar and vocabulary.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And if you want to perfect in English, then you should have you should have the command on these four things: listening, speaking, writing, and reading. If you make command on these four things, then you can be perfect in English language. And uh, and as we all know that there are two types of English: British English and American English. In India, British English is used, and and English is also a very important means of communication
बहुत बढ़िया.
and useful means of communication for tourism, not only in India but also in abroad. And uh, and it is also very useful in study. And English is not a very hard language, it is easy language, and that is the reason it is a common language for many countries to communicate with other countries. And sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. शाबाश बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. शाबाश. करते रहो कोशिश. लक्ष्मी गुजर.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Today I am speaking about the importance of English. As you know that English is spoken in other country. There are many type of languages. English is one of them. English language is international language. English language is spoken other country like USA, America, Japan, Russia. Most of the people communicate in English language. USA, Japan, America, they speak in English. They speak in English.
शाबाश शाबाश. हाँ.
Childhood with childhood.
Since childhood.
Since childhood, है ना. There are so many schools in English medium, but the teachers don't speak don't teach English language. They iterate
They
the
ask the
student.
students to iterate.
हाँ. They asked the student iterate. they don't they ask the iterate they how they they don't speak in English. Don't speak. English language is a very English language is a most of English language is a very important language because because the English language has has taken most of the place
Most important place.
most important place
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत अच्छा, कोशिश करती रहे बस बेटा, टाइम लगता है लेकिन हो
कि
जाएगा हाँ.
if we can do if we can do job email and letters is English language.
पूरा सेंटेंस बनाओ. Can be
there
sent.
are there are there are सर ईमेल और लेटर इंग्लिश में होते हैं.
बना लेना, letters and emails are in English.
Letters and email are in English. Most of the person
people
most of the people can speak in English, but the people of India the people of India we don't speak in English. So that's it sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है बेटा तेरे अंदर. राइटिंग करती रहे बेटा, राइटिंग बंद मत करना.
हाँ यस सर.
राइटिंग तो अब तेरी यहाँ पर चालू हो ही गई है, बस उसको कंटिन्यू रखना बेटा, है ना. हाँ बेटा, बस कोई चिंता मत कर, सब हो जाएगा, बस मेहनत करती रहे. यामिनी
जी
आ जा बेटा. बोल बेटा.
मेरा नाम आएगा, वो मैं लेफ्ट हो गई थी इसलिए सर.
अच्छा, तूने नीचे लिखा हुआ था तो मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया. चल लक्ष्मी तू आ जा.
यस सर. Today topic is importance of English language.
सर
English is very
बेटा तेरे से नहीं
English is very
हाँ बोल, दिक्कत हो तो रहने दे बेटा.
यस सर बोलो थोड़ा.
हाँ बोल ले बेटा, बोल ले, दिक्कत हो तो रहने दे, मैं बोल ले, कोशिश कर ले.
English is very important in our life. It is very important to learn English language. English is a world language. It is very important to learn such a powerful language. English is the most important language for career. Social media and internet most the used English. Yes sir.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, तू रेस्ट कर बेटा, है ना. छोड़ दे बेटा क्लास, रेस्ट कर ले बेटा तू, है ना. दवाई ले, रेस्ट कर बेटा. ओके हाँ बेटा, चल रेस्ट कर ले बेटा. अब मैं बुला रहा हूँ यामिनी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. Today, my topic is the importance of English language. As we all know that we all are human beings and we communicate with each other. By the means we communicate with each other, that means called language. The language is used to express our thoughts to each other, and not by the use of language we can express our some feelings. There are so many languages in the world like French, German, Korean, Hindi, Dutch, Siheli, Gujarati, Punjabi, Urdu, etc. But as we know, we all are Bharati, so our mother tongue is Hindi. In the India, we can watch after the Hindi language. The English language is the most important language. There are two types of English. First, American English, and second, British English. The British English is called international language because the Britishers occupied so many places, so they declared their language international language. So they declared their language international language. By the help of English, we can get a good job. If we are not in our country, we are in other country, we can communicate with that country people by the help of English language. English language is common language for all countries. Some countries taught teach English language like a subject.
टॉट क्यों लगा
The
रही है?
government teach
ध्यान से थोड़ा सा. हाँ.
teach the English language like a subject because they think that if the students will read the English language like a subject, they will learn more.
बेटा
But it is
सेंटेंस को ठीक करो थोड़ा. हाँ, बोलो अभी तो बोलो आप.
but it is not true. The school staff only teach them for getting marks. So we should know about the practical use of English language. The English language is used. सर ये माइक बंद कर दो.
माइक किसका चलो बंद करो भाई. सुशील. हाँ बोल.
The English language is used to pass the examinations also. If we have a good command on English, it is true we should not face any problem in our future.
We will not आएगा बेटा. Should not कैसे जाएगा? कंडीशनल सेंटेंस का ध्यान रख थोड़ा सा.
Okay, sir. We will not face any problem in our future. We should learn about the English, but we should not forget about Hindi. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. थोड़ा सा ग्रामर का ध्यान रखा कर. अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है तेरा, लेकिन थोड़ा सा और फोकस कर जरा.
Okay, sir.
बेटा. संजू. आजा बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanju. I am a student for Ramban Interactive Classes. Today my topic is importance of English language. English is the most important language in our lives because most of the countries spoke English language. Speak English language. English language is an international language. Today, most of the newsletters come in English language. By learning this language, we can start business and we can get job in foreign countries.
Very good यार.
There are many languages in world in the world like Dutch, Gujarati, Punjabi, etc. But English is the most important language in the world.
वेरी गुड. धीरे धीरे बोलती रहे.
Hindi is the national language in our country. Still, effect of English language increasing every field day by day.
Is increasing.
Is increasing every field day by day.
बोल बेटा.
High Court and Supreme Court language is English. So, law studies are in English language.
ठीक है.
English is the third most spoken English in the world. That's it, sir.
अच्छा बोल रही थी यार, पागल. इतनी जल्दी क्या हुआ तेरे को? बढ़िया बोल रही थी. कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बोला. लेकिन तूने सुन लेना, तू खुद सुन लेना. तेरा मेरी बात पे यकीन नहीं है तेरे को. बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड. प्रैक्टिस चाहिए बेटा बस, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. फ्लो आएगा बहुत शानदार वाला. यस तनेश.
सर मैं जाऊं?
हाँ तू बेटा जा, पहले ही तूने बोल दिया. चल तू जा बेटा.
लेट हो गया.
नहीं तू जा बेटा, जा बेटा. हाँ तनेश. हाँ बेटा जा तू.
Good sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Tanish. I am a student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today my topic is importance of English language. As we know that English is very important for us because we know because all the countries people speak English. So we talk to other country people. So we need English language. English is an international language. We prepare big exams like UPSC, NEET, etc. So we need English language. English give many topics like letters, application, stories, paragraph, etc. Many people speak English in India.
वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश बेटा. बोलता रहे, घबराए मत.
There are many languages like Urdu, Punjabi, Tamil, Marathi, Hindi, English, etc. But English is most important for us.
वेरी गुड बेटा. हाँ बेटा बोलता रहे, शाबाश.
There are many English medium schools in India, but the real truth of English medium schools, I give an example of my school. My school is English medium school, but the teachers not speak English.
Do not speak. Do not नहीं बेटा, cannot लगा, cannot.
Cannot speak English. So
Children
also cannot speak English.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, वेरी गुड. ऐसे बोल बस. अब देख, स्पीक इंग्लिश एज यू विश. यही रहता है बेटा अपना. बोल बेटा, शाबाश बोल.
So I take a English coaching classes because I prepare the big exam. So I need English language.
शाबाश.
English language invented by Germanic settlers. Yes sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है बेटा तूने. अभी तो तुम्हारी ढंग से मैंने स्पीकिंग चालू नहीं करवाई. बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा, करते रहो कोशिश। यस, वैष्णवी कहाँ गई? आजा,
Yes, sir.
आजा बेटा।
Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18, and today our topic is importance of English. You know very well that a language a s- is a that is a thing we can communicate to each other. So there are many languages like Hindi, Punjabi, Gujarati, Bengali, French, Chinese, Japanese, etc.
शाबाश।
English is one of them, and you know that English is an international language. We can communicate when we are in other country. We can communicate them in English language. And, and English is a very important in our life. When we when we are going to
When we go to
when we go to
other countries,
go to job
हाँ
for
ठीक, हाँ ठीक, हाँ
interview,
बोल बोल बोल, शाबाश बेटा।
so we can communicate so we can communicate them in English language. At present, English is very common language.
शाबाश बेटा।
And it is and my favorite subject is English. And and we should need environment to we should need environment for
To
for
develop
this
this,
language.
very good, बहुत अच्छा, for this language चाहिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बोल बेटा, बोल।
And we should we should do practice and practice to make perfection in this language.
Very good. बोल बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, आएगा बेटा सब। अब मेन थॉट्स वाली बात है बस, और कुछ भी नहीं है ना, आ जाएगा, चिंता मत करो, अभी बहुत कुछ देना है मुझे तुमको। बोल बेटा, शाबाश।
And many there are there are many use there are many newspapers in English like Times of India, Jaipur Times, etc. When when I when I don't know when I can't speak English, so I joined this class.
When I could not
When I could not speak English, I feel very
felt
I felt very hesitate. So I joined this class so I can speak English very well because of Rajesh ji sir.
because of you,
Because of you, sir.
because of you, not me, पागल। मेहनत है बेटा तुम्हारी ये,
Yes,
मैंने तो
sir.
बस केवल रास्ता दिखाया बेटा, I have shown you the way, nothing else.
And sir speaks daily. Speak English as you wish.
Speak English as you wish.
Yes, sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, वेरी गुड। अभी तो मैंने तुम्हारे को शुरू ही नहीं करवाया ढंग से स्पीकिंग करना, पागलो। अब शुरू होगा अपना मंडे ट्यूसडे से प्रोग्राम स्पीकिंग का रेगुलरली। कुछ दिनों तक कुछ नहीं होगा, बस केवल यही प्रोग्राम चलेगा आपका। चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच। The performance of all the members is very nice. I am happy. Thank you very much.